I nibbled on quality stocks today, and that's just the teaser. My headline is data over drama. People today fearful and selling their stocks because they are blatantly being lied to. Even outlets that should know better or do know better, lying to you. And here's what I mean. Everywhere, other than right here, everywhere else is telling you that the Fed's next move is to hike interest rates. And that is an absolute lie. But people hear a lie enough, they assume it's true, and what do? They get nervous on that headline and they sell their stocks to people like me that have 2 seconds to do some really easy research and have an internet connection. Here, from 2 o'clock Eastern Time, is the Fed meeting probabilities for adjusting interest rates. And in the green box right there at 350 to 375 basis points is where we are right now. The meeting dates are on the left-hand column. And the shading in with blue, that means where the next quote-unquote move will probably be. Well, with 99% chance as of 2 o'clock Eastern today, the market thinks that there will be no interest rate cut in the June meeting. No interest rate cut is not hiking. The market also says, and I get it, things can change, that there will be no interest rate cut in the July meeting, none in the September meeting, none in the October meeting. A 50-50 chance at best for a hike or stays where it is in the December meeting. You have to go all the way out to January of 2027, where as of right now, the street thinks that there could be an interest rate hike. Do you know how different the world and the stock market is going to be in January of 2027? Do you really think that the street knows 8 months ahead of time when the next rate hike is going to be? They are lying to you out of their teeth. Why? Because they want to cause panic. They're all talking about the same thing because they want to seem congruent with each other. How many times have you heard me say this? I am not here to tell you what you need to hear. I am here to wake you up. Please wake up. The Fed, their next move is not increasing interest rates. Do not buy this total garbage. I get it. A lot of people fell for it today and they were very fearful. They sold their stocks. And I understand. When I was a member of the herd, all I knew how to do is look at what everybody else was doing and turn to the headlines in the financial news shows and do what they were telling me to do. And yeah, it sucked forever, but I did it for a long time until what changed my life. I am no smarter than you, but I have figured out how to do my own research. And again, with 2 minutes and an internet connection, I just proved that the next move for the Fed is not a hike. They are going to, according to the street, hold these rates steady for months and months and months. So do not believe their BS. What do you think? Do you really think that the Fed's going to hike in the next meeting? Let me know in the comments, like this video, and follow for more. If you would like me to invest your portfolio for you through times like this and cut through the BS, comment manage. If you would like to receive my real-time stock trades, comment trades. This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC. When people are the most fearful, that's when I see the biggest opportunity. People very fearful today, the 10-year yield spiking a lot higher, has not been this high in a year. Well, when something is flashing that much of an opportunity for you, I took advantage of it. What did I do? I bought my long maturity bond fund, my favorite one. That makes money as yields fall. Remember the inverse relationship. Bond yields down, bond prices up. Do you really think with the midterm elections in October that the bond yields are going to be this high in October? No. They're going to come down, maybe not tomorrow, maybe not the next day, but they absolutely will be down, and a long maturity bond fund trade could be an amazing trade over the next several months. When the herd was fearful early this morning, that's when I was a buyer of quality, of the highest quality stocks out there. Right now, I was a buyer this morning. happy to do it. Yes, I understand. I absolutely still do think in the medium to longer term that we could be in the midst of having a bear market start maybe as early as in the next 4 months. But in the immediate term, yes, my research still telling me that there could be time to make money on higher stocks in the immediate term, which is why I was a buyer today in fear.